Hi there. In this video, we will go over the alternative credit card payment option called Payment Link. This option allows to send the end user a payment link by email or text message and gives them the ability to pay without using the payment terminal. This option is accessible in the payment section of the sale checkout. Please note that in order to comply with PCI-DSS compliance, Flawless will never touch or handle card information and never handles or transmits card information through Flawless hardware or services. All card information is securely handled and transmitted using best practices through the payment processor. We're starting this video in the payment section for the ring sale. We now need to charge our customer for the sale. Let's imagine that the customer is ordering by a phone and will come pick up the item later, but wants to pay now. Instead of asking for the payment information over the phone, you can use the payment link option. Choose the payment link option. The price dialog will pop up with a full price automatically entered for you. Press Done to continue. In the new Send Payment Link dialog, you can choose how you want the customer to receive the payment link. This can be adjusted by changing the value of the type field. You can either send it by a text message to the customer's phone number or send them an email. In this demo, we will send a payment to the phone number. The course of action is the same. In the message field, you can customize the text that the customer receives along with the payment link. It is pre-populated with a default text message that can be changed. We will leave it as it is. The last field is called Payment Option, and there you can choose to either wait for the payment in real time or choose to wait for the customer to submit the payment. Once it is submitted, you will be notified and then will be able to attach the transaction to the sale. Note that in this case you would need to save the draft of the sale in order to return to it at a later time. In this demo, since we are on the phone with a customer, we will wait for the payment in real time. Once you're happy with your selection, press OK to send the message. It might take 10 to 20 seconds for it to arrive. We will receive a text message. Note that we have received the message with the exact same wording and the payment link is included. In order to process the payment, the customer will need to follow the link. In this demo, we will play the all of the customer to by making a payment. Note that this will be opened in a new tab and will require the customer to view and sign a policy as well as input their card details. We will do just that. Please tag along as we're going through this process. Once all the information is entered, press Pay Now to proceed with the payment. If there's a success message pop up, that means that the transaction was successful. Coming back to the sale checkout, we can see that the transaction was already applied and we can see the policy signature as well. In the payments part of the screen, we can also see that we can void the transaction if necessary. Note that if the customer uses this payment option, the card will be automatically saved on their file, and you will be able to use it with their permission without going through the steps outlined above. All that's left is to finish the sale, and that will be it for the payment link card method of payment. Thanks for watching.